Today we talk about how can you add your bank account on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on your name. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on add a payment method. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on bank account. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on continue here. So when you just click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. Just switching to open video here. So then you just switching to connect video here, and you click here on continue here. So then it's going to take you to add your bank account here when you select your institution here in this list. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.